Hello Sagittarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Sagittarius, in this reading we'll see what is your energy, what is the energy of the person you are thinking about, you're dealing with, what is the mutual energy between you and this person. Okay, there is an extended reading for this one, and in this extended reading we'll see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and this person. We'll also see how does your love life and life in general looks for the next couple of months. Okay, so let's get started now. So we have his Ten of Cups for you, then we have his Queen of Wands, and we have his Queen of Swords. Then for your person, we have his Page of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and we have his Justice. Then we have his Eight of Cups and Judgment. Wow, okay. As a mutual energy. Let's pull out some love notes, okay. Although we'll discuss the love notes at the fag end, Sagittarius, okay? We'll discuss the love notes at the fag end. So Sagittarius, you may be dealing with a Libra, you may be dealing with another Sagittarius, okay? You may be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You may be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So this is what we have, okay? Sagittarius, Ten of Cups, Queen of Wands, and Queen of Swords. Sagittarius, you are someone who was extremely passionate about love in the past. Not that you are not passionate about love in the present. You are. But there is something else that is making you more passionate. And what is that? What I feel, or at least what the cards are trying to tell me, Sagittarius, is that you are growing as a person in your life. Okay? You are becoming more spiritual, but at the same time, you are also walking in the direction of a highly accomplished and a successful person when it comes to your professional life. You will experience a lot of professional success. Okay? You are also experiencing a lot of spiritual success. Okay, but because of the achievement you're going to have in the future as far as your professional success is concerned, you will have a good designation. You will also be very well financially. Financially, you're going to do very well, and at the same time, the level of spiritual growth you will have, it is going to be unparalleled. You're going to feel like, even as of now, you are someone who is a very kind and a very generous soul. Okay, even as of now, you have this deep desire to help out people, but maybe currently you are not where you want to be as far as your financial stability is concerned, or as far as your financial goals are concerned. You are not where you want to be. Okay, but in future you will definitely be there. Financially, I see you are like, there is an exponential growth in terms of finances. There is an exponential growth in terms of professional success. Okay, there is an exponential growth when it comes to your spiritual awakening. And because of all these things coupled together, your focus will be more on solving problems at a bigger level. Your focus will be more on solving problems about humanity. Okay, your focus will be more on solving problems or helping out people, helping out not just humanity, trying to guide everyone, trying to show how to lead in a right way. Okay, you are going to be someone who will be an inspiration for many. You're going to be someone who would want to inspire people in the right manner. Like, if you want to become a leader, this is how you should behave. You're going to set an example for that. If you want to become a spiritually inclined person, this is how you need to do that. You're going to set an example for that. Okay, if and like, people will be rushing towards you to solve their problems, and you will be so much happy from the bottom of your heart to solve problems, you know, not just of your near and dear ones, but problems of people at large scale. Okay, you may become an influencer, you may become a businessman. Okay, you are going to rake in a lot of money. You're going to be very generous. Okay, so at that time, serving humanity or doing something on a larger scale is going to be your priority. You know what, I'll be very honest over here. The kind of example I am seeing in front of my eyes right now is that of Elon Musk. Okay, that person is doing something for humanity, and as far as his personal life is concerned, yes, he had multiple partners. He does love them. Unfortunately, he doesn't have enough of time because he is too worried about the world around him. Okay, unfortunately, he doesn't have time enough for his own personal life because he's too worried and concerned about people relocating people to Mars, and Earth may slow down in a couple of years, or the ice may melt down and the Earth size may diminish and something like that. Okay, like, yeah, listen to his videos. They are very like, whatever he talks is a sort of a knowledge enhancement. I love listening to him. I consider him to be an inspiration. Okay, and what I see is like, whatever he does for humanity is absolutely inspirational. Okay, why he manufactured electronic cars, electronic vehicles, EV. Okay, probably that is because he wants to save planet Earth from pollution. Okay, EV doesn't create any kind of pollution, right? So similarly, that's what he is doing. And going to the space should be affordable, right? That's what he is trying to achieve. So what I see is, whatever he is doing for humanity is awesome, is wonderful. He is a visionary, and that is what I see in you guys. You are a visionary. Okay, so that's what I see happening over here. And now why I'm sensing is because we have 10 of cups over here, but the Queen of Wands is not looking at the 10 of cups. She's looking at the Queen of Swords. Like, what is the concern of Queen of Swords? Let me help her out. Let me solve her concerns. Okay, so that kind of an energy I'm getting over here. Not that you don't want to take care of this. Okay, let me tell you that Elon Musk had tweeted in between that maybe he may have said it out of fun, but he said that he wants to resign. What if I resign from my jobs? Okay, so probably he's a bit tired of running the show all alone. Maybe he's realizing that his personal life is taking a toll because of his overly committed professional life. Okay, so I'm not saying that you don't want love or you're going to commit yourself overly to the professional life. You are definitely here for love. I very well understand that. But it is your inherent nature to be generous, Sagittarius. Okay, it is your inherent nature to act as a giver. It is your inherent nature to help out people if you see them in problem. Okay, and that is also one of the reasons why you are absolutely a giver in any of your past relationships, and all that you got was breadcrumbs, and universe sort of pushed you to become independent. You became so self-reliant that you absolutely don't need right now to fulfill any of your wishes, to fulfill any of your needs and your wants, even if you know, like, you are very much capable of making yourself happy. Okay, and your mind is craving, that one corner of your heart is craving for a true love, unconditional love, and someone who will always be there for you, to take care of you and love you, understand you, okay, support you. But somehow you have always, the search is continuously on. Okay, the thing is like the search is continuously on, and it will be on for some more time. You will keep on meeting a lot of people, you will keep on meeting a lot of romantic partners. I see a lot of romantic relationships happening. Okay, for some of you, you'll meet the one very soon. For some of you, it may take some time. Like I see at least one relationship happening before you meeting the one. Okay, so it's like whatever I see is fated. Okay, so we have is Page of Pentacles, we have is Page of Swords, and we have is Justice. Okay, and I told you, right? Multiple people are interested in you. We have Page of Pentacles, we have is Page of Swords. But also what I'm feeling is there will be a bit of a dissatisfaction, because at the end of the day, you are embodying an energy of a queen or a king. Okay, I just saw 1111. So, and whoever is coming your way is actually embodying the energy of a page. And with the Justice card, I'm definitely sensing that someone has an intention to make things right with you, either the past person or universe is going to send someone your way, okay, to give you what you want and to give you what you truly desire and deserve. Okay, but have some patience is what I'll say. Have some patience. Okay, whatever you want is going to happen. Then we have his Eight of Cups, and we have his Judgment, Sagittarius, as a mutual energy. Look, whatever you're praying for, whatever you're desiring, your deep desires will be fulfilled. Sagittarius, listen to me carefully. Your deep desires, all of your desires will get fulfilled. But before that, you have to do something. Maybe you're still stuck somewhere. Okay, there is that one relationship, or there is some inner child issue that is going on over here, which is sort of asking you to heal yourself, which is sort of universe is asking you to heal yourself from that inner child issue. Universe is asking you to walk away from something that is absolutely unnecessary. Okay, and burdening you down, emotionally burdening you down. Okay, Sagittarius, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe, and comment down below. If you are interested in the extended reading, link is in the description box and in the comment section. Okay, and Sagittarius will also in the extended reading, we'll also see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and this person, and how does your love life and life in general looks for the next couple of months. Okay, right. So let's see what are the love notes are saying. There is a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. Your soul is searching something. I'm telling you, your soul is still searching a lot. There is a soul journey that you have embarked yourself on, and your soul is searching something continuously, and you know that. What is the saying is, you have the answers. Seek those answers. You're adored. Okay, people are adoring you, people are loving you, people are considering you as an inspiration. Love is never in vain. Okay, love is absolutely never in vain. Please do not think that love is useless, love is nothing. No, love is almost everything. Okay, don't be misled. Someone may try to mislead you. Don't get misled. Your treasure is at hand. Okay, your treasure is not far away. Give yourself much more credit. Please do not underestimate your efforts. Okay, you will find what you seek. Wow, this is such an amazing confirmation. Whatever you are seeking, you're gonna find that. Okay, that is coming your way, Sagittarius. Be ready. All there is to love has been there all along. All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.